Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Bkqfmsahpt. Anyway, this is the random set of characters, but the ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this extension to the files. My video is for educational purposes only. In the video, I'm showing you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. I'll show you the negative impact of this ransomware. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data, your files, without complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and all other data. All that can be opened easily without troubles before the ransomware attack. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected. The ransomware then appends this Bkqfmsahpt extension to the files, and it tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom in this ransom note. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay it, don't waste your money. If you pay the ransom, there is no guarantee that your data would be recovered. So stay away from paying that ransom. What I recommend you to do right away is immediately examining the system with the reliable anti-ransomware tool called Combo Cleaner. You may get Combo Cleaner Antivirus on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then you need to start the program and select Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any ransomware or malware. Then, after the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner gets successfully updated, the program will begin researching and investigating your system. You will then see the information about all the threats that were found on your system at the end of the scanning. Please pay very careful attention to the feature called Combo Cleaner, called anti-ransomware in Combo Cleaner. This feature allows you to add one or even several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But that feature is a part of the premium license only. As I said, Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of threats. You will be able to know their location on the system. Consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data always under the protection.